Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are replacing the inner tie rod on the 2011 Ford Edge. So stay tuned, guys. Let's jump in it, guys. Tools needed for this repair is PB blaster, 19mm socket, an inner tie rod tool set, needle nose pliers, a zip tie, and flathead screwdriver. All tools and parts can be found in the video description below. After removing the tire, we will have all the access we need to replace the inner and outer tie rod assembly. With this repair, we are on the driver's side of the vehicle, but both sides are identical on the replacement. In this video, we will be replacing the inner tie rod on the 2011 Ford Edge, which will take care of that extra vibration you've been hearing while driving. Now, after I fought with mine for a bit and using a lot of PB blaster, mine still did not budge. So I only had one option left because I definitely was not going to get beat by this seized nut. That's right, I pulled out the cutoff wheel. We are going to cut off the tie rod right after the security nut so I could take the inner tie rod boot off without damaging it. Remember, when using a cutoff wheel, you need to wear all of your protective equipment. Don't turn saving money into a hospital trip, guys. Remember to count the threads before you cut off the tie rod as well to get your alignment back proper when you reinstall the new tie rod assembly. Now with that out of our way, we are going to grab a pair of needle nose pliers and remove the security clip holding the inner tie rod boot on. Use the flathead screwdriver to remove the rear security clip holding the back of the inner tie rod boot in place. You will see a loop in the clamp. Stick your flathead screwdriver in the loop and turn the screwdriver. This should release the clamp. When we reinstall the inner tie rod boot, we'll be using a heavy-duty zip tie on the back side of the boot so you can dispose of this metal clamp that you just removed. It is a one-time use only. Next, we are going to get our inner tie rod tool and place it on the inner tie rod. Use a breaker bar and make the job easy on yourself. Lefty-loosey, and we got it going. After we have removed the inner tie rod, we can then grab our new inner tie rod so we can install it. All parts can be found in the video description down below, as well as the inner tie rod tool set. Make sure you use your inner tie rod tool to make sure the new inner tie rod is tight and snug. After doing that, you are able to reinstall the outer tie rod. Make sure you count your threads as before and place the security nut on the outer tie rod in the same place. That way your wheels line up correctly for your alignment. Remember, when doing anything with your alignment, to have perfect alignment, I would suggest you go to a laser alignment rack that can be found at auto repair shops or tire shops. As long as your tires are straight with the body of your vehicle, your alignment will be fine to drive with. Please let me know if you have any questions about this repair, and thanks for watching, everyone. Smash that subscribe button for more DIY auto repair right here on the channel, saving you thousands on your auto repairs.